Okay, let me share my screen. So if you come here to Google Ads, you'll get a page like this. If you log into Google Ads, you'll get a page like this. And then now you'll just click here, sign now. Start now. Sorry. Okay, if you go there at the appearance, you know, like I had opened my Google Ads before. So are you all in this page? Or let me ask, is anybody doing this so that they can share the screen so that I can help them and then others can see how to get to this page? Or are you all in this page? Boniface, are you in this page?
Yeah, I have an account, so I just got there.
Okay.
Maybe you can check with the others.
Okay, so if you are here, you can just
The
create like a
rest, Amos. Amos, are you there? Ama, who is not there? Amos is not there yet. Are you logging in?
could you please share your screen?
Amos, you can share so that we move on.
Yep.
Oh, you're still creating the account. Yeah, Agustin, you can guide.
Yeah.
Okay, just fill in because even this is the same thing that you'll be doing. Just continue filling in.
Oh my.
You could have clicked even maybe your business, but okay. Phone number.
Hmm.
I think maybe you can finish the setup as we progress. How about Jonah? Jonah, where are you? Jonah, unmute.
I'm with you. I'm okay.
Oh, okay. Why, Yvonne? Wangare? Oh, okay. Lewis?
I'm okay.
Oh, okay. I think maybe now you can finish the setup, Amos. Augustine, you can proceed. You're on mute, Augustine.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Sorry. Okay, so if you are in this page, you should be able to like create. You'll get this link here. Create a new campaign, and then you just click on it. So you will decide, just like the Facebook ads that you did, whether you want to drive sale or whether you want to get leads. Leads is like getting people to your website, or like people like customers, people who can be loyal to you, whether it's a physical location or not. And then you can also have like a website traffic, a promotion.
Maybe a question. What is the difference between sales and leads and website traffic? Because maybe you've said that leads, people are coming to your website.
Sales sasa ni kama like you have an online shop, unauza kitu. Now like they will target people who like are maybe buying things online. Yeah, but leads is like you want customers. Customers are like people who like can be interested in your business in any way. It can be people, partners, sponsors, or anything. But they are customers. They are people who are going to there to be loyal and stay, maybe because you have something that will interest them. But website traffic is just getting like people to click on your website, whether they are going to buy or not, whether they want, you just want them to click and to just generate traffic. That's all.
So which one is the? Oh, so it depends on what you want to do with the website again. Ama leads
Yes,
inakaa kuwa the best one.
lead is for business. If you're having a blog, sometimes you just need traffic. Maybe you're just doing ads. You just wanted to see the ads. When they click on your website, they see the ads, and then you're getting money through the ads. So you don't care about whether you're not selling anything, you just want them to get to your website.
So
So of
in
course,
that case, you use website traffic. When you just,
yeah,
oh, okay.
which of course the website traffic is always easy to get. It is easy to get to people to click to your website, but of course it is hard to get somebody to buy.
You should use website traffic.
Yeah, if you use website traffic, it will be easy for you to get website traffic. But of course, leads you can even pay like $20, but you just get like 2, 10, or sometimes even less leads.
Okay.
And local store visit and promotion. This is for like if you are based in, you are like a shop, or you are a supermarket. Sometimes like when you Google online, you Google maybe something like what, like lemon juice. Sometimes they bring for you the stores that are near, that this store is selling that lemon juice. Yeah. So like you can put also your ad so that it can reach people, just the local people. Like if somebody Googles barber shop, sometimes you see like Google inakuletianga all the options, like the barber shops near you. Yeah, so something like that. So let's just say click lead. So like you can look for a type, hii ina depend na what you want. Kuna hii Google search yenye itakutoka kwa hiyo the screen of the Google, like okay, Google kitu. Performax I think ni ya AI. I've never even used it. Video ni mainly YouTube. Hiyo nayo unajua, like sometimes when you're watching YouTube, si unaonanga YouTube ads. So you can also do that one. The Gmail images and videos. So let's do the search because tulikuwa tunafanya ya Google search. So here pia unaweza click what you want. Kama unataka wa download app, if your app ndio una advertise. If you want them to visit your store or website visit, you can just click, and then here andika the website or the link of the website that you want. You can also just have a landing page. Like let's say you are selling something, you put that link of the landing page. Still lazima tuwekange your home page. You can just create a landing page of the things you are selling. Maybe you are selling what different types of what meat. You just put that landing page there so that when people, of course, that is what people are going to click on when they are on that advert. So hizi pia ni kama tu ya nini, like ile ya Facebook. You can use a form submission from your website, form submission from your ads, and then there can be a phone call. You can just put your number, and then they can also sign up if you want them to sign up. You can just choose any depending on what. And then you need to create now a campaign name. This is, it won't show anywhere. So this is just for your database. Yes. Fresh. So here in reading, you can focus on what you want. You can focus on conversion. This is also like it will depend because this is what you'll be presenting to the client. Like if you put an ads, they want to see like if you are focusing on the conversion, is your conversion value changing when you're doing different adverts? Conversion, we talked about conversion rate or conversion value is like when like the number of people that are meeting your links or your adverts, are they doing something? Like if you want them to have to view your website, are they viewing your website? Or if you want them to buy something because maybe you targeted sales, are they buying? So that's conversion rate. And then like if you're just a normal website is looking for traffic, you can look at clicks, like how many people are clicking, and then the impression or share, like the people who are sharing, commenting, such that, yeah. So you will just put like clicks. Let's say you just want clicks. If you're doing this for the first time, you can just go to next. But if you like, you can just set maximum cost per click. But this one also, it's just recommended if you have been doing an advert and you've studied and you know that, okay, if I do this much, it's not even worth it. Like, there's no need of spending 10,000. So what's the need, unless yes or something, or I'm doing a different ads, there's no need of like spending 10,000, and if you spend 2,000 you're getting the same results. So you can set also a maximum cost per click. But if you are doing it for the first time, you just want to study the market and know what people are doing or know what is working for you, then you just leave it. So you can, okay, these are optional. You can add them, like have them to appear on the network or not, but it is just optional. But sometimes also, if you just want your advert to focus on the right target market, you can remove this.
Chris.
And then in the location, just like in the Facebook adverts, you'll put all the location you want. You can customize your location. You can add all countries or territory, but it is not always a good idea because I know your product is not targeting the whole world. It is always good to know, like, are you targeting people in USA? Are you targeting people in Kenya? Or in that specific country, you can just try Kenyans, and then after Kenyans, you'll do a different ads USA, and then you see like, okay, which one is working or not. This one, of course, it is English, but if you are selling things for French people, you can include the language there. And then there's the audience segments, just like in Facebook. You can choose the audience, what you are targeting, their interest. You can just choose here. It can bring you option, and then you just click on what you want. You can come again, and then you add. You can, if you are adding, so you just select what you want according to the type of advert you are putting, like which audience are you targeting. You can just browse through and look also at what you want, and then you'll just add there. You can add a new segment. If you have like a customer list, you have a YouTube users or Google Analytics. Whenever you put your website in Google Analytics, you can always use your website, the Google Analytics, to like grow an audience. You can see how many people are clicking on your website and how many people the traffic yenye inaenda hapo through Google Ads or through different channel. Like if it is Facebook, how many people are clicking on your website from Facebook? How many people are clicking on your website from Instagram, such. So you can also use that also to create your segments. I don't know why my keyword, this keyword section, not much keywords. It's supposed to be working.
What is it supposed to show?
It's supposed to allow you to enter the keywords. Like you can enter like 20 keywords that you want
Copy paste.
before
Am I
it will
like,
come like you see the way we were doing in the targeting section or audience section. It's supposed to allow you to enter the main keywords that you want.
by typing?
Uh,
Where exactly are we supposed to be typing that? Might check.
to use the broad match keyword, switch to a conversion or conversion value. Oh, it cannot work when the way we said clicks.
Uh,
Let me see. That one was in the menu before. Hapa kwa nini? You can put conversion. Naona ukiweka clicks I work. And then now you can come here and then you will enter all the keywords that you want. You can also just enter the link, like your landing page. It's not necessarily like your home page, because you can be having a page on parenting, but right now you just want to put an advert on kids activity. So that you'll create a landing page of that, and then that landing page is when you'll enter here. When you enter your landing page, it will generate some keywords.
are those keywords authentic, like the way you are searching with the keyword planner? search or something.
Yeah, but sometimes, like if your landing page is on that specific things, it will generate for you the right keywords because it's using because Google Ads just works with the Google Keyword Planner. It generates from the Google Keyword Planner. So, but also sometimes you can also like check, like you can look for keywords in seeability, and then now you just add them here. So like this is my page, it has brought for me. This is my home page. It has brought for me this. And maybe that is not what you want. If you
So,
that's not what you
so what does it base these ones on? It bases it on maybe the content that you had been writing about, or generally like the content of all your page or the first page.
this one, I put my home page on the URL. And like if you just want to put an advert on a given page or a given post, that post is the one that you copy there, and it will just generate for you keyword from that specific page.
Okay, okay.
You can replace with whatever you want. You can add more. Or anything that you want to add on your keyword. And then here now you want to see how it's going to look like. Like if you put an ad, how are people going to see it? So you will put your URL here again. You can add your headline, what you want to appear. Or they'll also give you suggestion, but you can just also like put your own if you don't want it to appear that way. You can add as many as you want. So yeah, so that this is how it will appear, because my first heading was parenting with styles, and then parenting hacks, and then there was Zoom. Yeah, so it will appear. The topics will always appear up there. And then you can also add more as much as you want. And then description. So this one you can add a description, or you can use the one that they're already suggesting for you. You can also add description as many as you are. And then you can add site links. Site links is not the link that is going to appear, but the site links is like you might want people to click on other links that are associated with your website or the same content, or like you have other URLs. So they will appear when somebody click here. So you can add those site links here if you want. And then call out, you can also call out. So you can just add like maybe you have a physical location. Yeah, if you are done, you've looked at it, you will see how it's looking. Uone kama inakufurahisha. Click on the icons.
What did you say is the campaign optimization score?
Huh?
What did you say is the campaign optimization score? Like I'm seeing it's written 80%.
Hiyo imeoptimize according to the SEO
It's looking at how good
ya hiyo page.
your ads is or what?
Yes, how your ads is according to the market, the keywords you've used, the keywords zenye zimekuwa added, hiyo ndio ina base your score. Like what is your chance of like of course your campaign to be successful. So like right now, if you just put mambo ya parenting and then you start having different keywords that are not related, you're having maybe dog food, pets, of course you will see like the campaign score itakuwa lower. Or if you are maybe using also words that are too competitive, of course, pia, because like other companies, like these big companies are putting adverts too. If your budget is very low, of course, now those companies iko known, people wao ndio zitaekwa huko juu because pia wataangalia everybody mwenye ameput ads, watu wagapi wana click on those ads. If people click your ads, itakuwa inawekwa juu. So you are competing. If you start competing with the big companies for big keywords, also of course, in your campaign optimization score itakuwa less.
Okay.
So if you are just satisfied, you may add kila kitu you need, you'll just go to next. So hapa ni payment, itakuonyesha the recommended budget. Although inakupatianga of course high, but you can also just create your own budget. So inanirekomendia $350 daily. Of course, that is too much. You can now set your average budget yenye unataka. I think you cannot go less than $2. You can have like $10. It depends on the budget yako and see how. So inakuonyesha the weekly conversion yenye naweza expect from my website, that is like 75, and then the cost per conversion pia inakuonyesha hapo the weekly cost, like if we run this itakuwa $70. If you want more people, of course, you will just increase. Yeah. But it's not always like very. So you see, like for $70, you can get 75 conversion. It's still not bad. I mean, if you get 75 clients, that's not bad. But these are just, of course, average. Sometimes you might get less, of course, in other factors will determine. There's your product good. Many people might come to your page, but of course, maybe your website, somebody cannot even understand what's going on.
Before you, Nini, did you say something like maybe choosing the number of days you may want the ad to run? Ama for Google Ads hakuna kitu kama hiyo? I'm asking
I think when you pay, I think ndio utaamua. I think iwe ukiweka kwa kadi yako.
like with the amount of money that you put ama you send kwa your Google Ads account.
But inafaa inakuanga, I don't know. Inakuanga, you can always put 1 day or $60. Let's go ahead. But I think kuna way you can always discontinue, because nikiekanga I've ever put for 1 day only.
Okay. I asked that because there's a day like I tried running an ad and I didn't see that, so I ended up being billed about $47 when I had maybe set a certain budget, like not really a budget. I was trying out to do maybe an ad, but I went overboard mpaka ikafika $47. So yeah, that's why I wanted to understand whether there's a where you can set maybe the number of days you want the ad to run for. But yeah.
But nowadays, you can use global pay.
Mm.
Work it to the amount that you need only.
Mm. So that it spends only what is available in the wallet.
Yes, ita nini alafu ita discontinue. But you can, like if you put it, like if you after 1 day you have to go and view like your ads inafanya aje, and then you can stop it. Unaelewa?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so in it too, like you add your payment methods, and then yeah, you can add your card yako. You can use the global pay ya Safaricom, and then you add up to ikate your pesa, and then the next day if you want to discontinue, discontinue. And then you will submit. Sini hiyo tu sasa. Google Ads, you can only do Google Ads if you have a website. Yeah. But it is also another sector that many businesses, of course, will ask you if do you know Google Ads, and then because hapa ndio most of them also wanatumianga ku post their businesses and reach people, like if you are doing mainly hizi mambo za corporate real estate, so mainly ni Google Ads and Facebook Ads. Hizo zingine are okay, but of course you won't get value of your money so much like Instagram, unless you're selling things, easy vitu za gisty, nice things, maybe cute things for ladies, yeah. But like when you're doing like something serious, a serious business, Google Ads and Facebook Ads are always the leading. And even Facebook is always the leading in business right now, even according to the to research yenye ilifanywa. Facebook, as much as you think ati siku hizi Facebook ni old age, it is still the leading kwa charts for businesses. So also e-adstera is like the Google AdSense. So also like you will see like some people talking about like paid ads. So is it paid ads, you can be like a publisher where like you use your website to publish things, yani unaweka advert kwa website yako, but also you can be a company that is interested in putting an ad like on YouTube, on those people, and like they are a website like my website which we want to put ads and then we are paid. But now there's these companies, maybe a finance companies, that they also want to advertise on those websites of ours and then to generate money and like to generate traffic also for them. So like when you come to like easy Adstera or the Google AdSense, you can either be a publisher or an advertiser. So here, there's publisher and then there's advertiser. Publisher now are people with blogs like me. And then the advertisers are people who want to advertise, like easy companies, like maybe Unilever, they want to advertise on YouTube. Sasa wewe mwenye uko na YouTube yako, wewe ni publisher, unafungua publisher section and then you allow these companies to advertise on your website, on your YouTube or on your channel. So like if you come to Adstera, there's dashboard, there's the direct links. Direct links are they can give you these links and then you put on your website. Although sometimes they advertise funny things on those direct links.
Are you presenting another page? Because you are only seeing as an advertiser and as a publisher peke yake.
Oh, sorry.
You've not seen anything.
Okay, so if you log into Adstera, you will get something like this. Any person can just log into Adstera.
We are not seeing that. I don't know. Yes, you might be showing us one page. Okay.
Are you seeing now?
Lewis, are you seeing?
Yeah, we can see.
Yes, so if you come to if you put on add your website here, you can add your website. You will see you'll see all the ads that you can put on your website. So there's ads.
So this one you log in as a publisher.
Yeah, you log in as a publisher. So you can choose a banner, different size. You can delete, you can activate. Like this pop-up, inactivated this. I don't like pop-ups. So you can just choose the banners that you want,
What are
and
banners?
when you unaonanga ukiingia kwa website wa saa zingine hapo kwa page kuna advert, wana advertise kitu, wana advertise betting, what, sport pesa. Si unaonanga saa zingine unaenda tu kwa website na unasoma, maybe it is just about something else, politics, but hapo wameka an advert hapo ya betting. Ama ukiingianga kwa kwanza hizi websites za tuko unajua most of them unaingianga tuko, ukiendanga tuko unajua unakutanganga na hizo adverts. If you click on it they take you to some different pages, hata sio some pages zinaanza kupop up. Yeah, So hizo ndio those adverts. So you can activate and create an ad, and then the more people who view that ad ndio utakuwa unalipwa. So you can add a
You
unit.
create an ad or
You create hizi banners. Hizi banners ndio utaweka kwa website yako.
are you the one to put them ama like the mwenye ame login as a advertiser ndo ataziweka?
When ame login as advertiser ndio ataiweka, but wewe pia una decide what do you want and where do you want it. Like hii unaona sasa hii ni banner, this size of banner, you can have this size, there are different size. And when you come to add website yako, sasa itakuletea hiyo option ya ku add a unit. You can add a unit here.
So it shows the number of adverts that you are accepting in on your page.
Yep.
Okay. So if you put 4, then it means like there can be up to a maximum of 4 adverts.
Yeah, you can put those 4 adverts here, but on your website also you'll control whether you want to put them or penye unataka kuzitoa. But hizi zinaleta all the adverts that are going to be on your website. And ndio hizi categories you can decide, ndio hizi okay, like kwa see sasa this the website, so wanakupatia available ad units. Hizi zingine nishaweka, so the one that is available is this static banner, social bar. You can have a social bar hapo juu tu imewekwa tu hivyo, and then you can click what you want and what you don't want. So like now mimi nimeblock, I don't want anything to do with erotic ads with a sound, gambling ads, or a lot. Although hizi ndio ziko na pesa anyway, but you know, like of course you have to check your audience. If you are creating a content kama business or creating a content for parents, you can't put erotic ads because wataweka zile mbaya mbaya. But now you can decide and then you just add whichever one you want. So whenever you add, utaletewa a code. So hii iko pending, sometimes they take days, but after sometimes itakaa hivi, itaandika hapa active and then itagika get a code. So this code, hii code, it is like JavaScript. So this code is what you are going to copy and then you paste on your website. Kuna hizi plugins inaitwa code inserter. You'll just use them and then you paste them there. And then now anytime if somebody views your blog, itakuwa ina generate some income. It's not a lot. If you, of course, if you take hizo zingine erotic gambling, yeah, it's not a lot, but it's if you have many views, your website ikisha grow, you can also make a good money out of it. You can make even $1,000 per month if you have good traffic. And there are different publishers. There are these different AdSense, like my Google AdSense, there are many that you can use. So
Do you have are you able to show us how to maybe do that plugin kwa nini yako? By your website, ama it will take long.
It won't take long. Let me do it. And also, hata ni log in kwa website yangu. And also, some clients also they want to be advertisers. So you can also just learn when you have open a page kama hiyo ya AdStera, and then you go to as an advertiser, you are able to decide, do you want to advertise your product if it is a video, Unaonaga sometimes you are watching YouTube and then a video of maybe cooperative bank in a show up. Now you can create a video, you can do video ads, you can do also these are pop-ups, these are my pictures. So you come on a client, they'll tell you if they want to do that advert, and then you open account for an advertiser. So this time you want to open as a publisher, you can open for an advertiser, and then they can decide whether you want to do the YouTube. But you'll pay, you'll be the one paying any like the company you're working for, even if it is your company, you'll be the one paying.
Though we are not seeing what you're doing.
I'm trying to log in. I don't know. My name is so slow. I'm trying to log into my my name chip. What face? Oh, let me check.
Is it your network or what?
Yeah, my network is today is misbehaving. It's not plugging. This one, you'll use this plugin, add inserter. Yeah, then when you install it, no, you will just allow, you'll just copy paste.
So how many can? So if you want maybe 4 ads to be placed on your website, you insert 4 links.
Yeah, it will allow you to insert as many as you want.
Okay.
So when like anytime you want to insert anything, this add inserter with, put I copy to the script. It's easy. So all these are the easy zenye nimeadd up to 5. Now if you want to add a new one, you just come here and you had copied the link. Oh, sorry. Okay, you had copied the code and then you paste it here. After pasting it here, you will decide on a setting. Do you want this to appear in all the posts, on static pages, on home page? You just click what. Maybe you don't want it to appear on the home page, but you just want it to appear on the post. You can just decide here.
On post, that is blog post.
Yeah, post like a blog post. And pages also need of pages come about us. But if you just want it on the blog post only, you can just click there on the blog post. And then unaweza kuja hapa alignment, you can whether you want it on the right, left, any places yenye una. And then also the insertion before paragraph, the first paragraph, after the content, like before a comment. Sasa before HTML element, that is itakuwa huko juu. And then inside the HTML element, sometimes they are put inside the text. So you just decide how you want it to look like, and then you save. It's that easy. And also this one also you can use any. Sometimes you see like sometimes unaambiwangwa like you want to watch kuweka JavaScript, maybe JavaScript umepewa some code for M-Pesa or WhatsApp. Even WhatsApp, if you want your website to have a WhatsApp, there's always a code. You just take that code and then you insert here. This is like it. You can insert any JavaScript using this add inserter, so you don't have to go back and then you blog afresh, or you add a HTML file or a JavaScript file, you can add it always through here. But you can also use Elementor. Elementor also allows you to add JavaScript. Yeah, you can add through Elementor. See, ni sawa?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Unless anybody has a question. Does anybody have a question? Then Boniface, you can end the class.
Oh, it was that. I don't know. Lewis, do you have a question? Yeah.
No.
Yeah, are you okay with doing the ads? You need more time for practice.
I'll just do practice till it becomes perfect.
Okay.